It's been months in the making. The CAQ government's latest bill bans face coverings for students and staff in public and private schools. It's not very common, according to advocates, but it's a matter of principle, not numbers, says Quebec's Education Minister Bernard Drainville.
The overall idea is to protect students from any religious indoctrination.
A recent report studied secularism in 17 schools across the province. It found fewer than 5 students wearing religious face coverings. Another 10 wore head coverings with medical masks longer than necessary. The National Council of Canadian Muslims says the bill doesn't offer real solutions.
Fact of the matter is, how somebody looks or how somebody's dressed doesn't affect the secularism of the state in any way, shape, or form.
The legislation also updates the Education Act to expand Quebec's ban on religious symbols to all public school staff, from teachers to volunteers. Quebec's Liberal Party says it's a step too far.
It's not because I have, for instance, a cross on my neck that I will be performing proselytism. So this is a shortcut, an intellectual shortcut.
The PQ says it doesn't go far enough. Private schools shouldn't be exempt.
We do think that it's wider than the schools. It's in the daycare center. It's on the college as well.
Auditors found just one case of a replacement teacher wearing a religious symbol breaking the rules. But staff could be open to the new measures, Drainville says.
There are examples in the report where someone, and actually it's more than one cases, where the person was told you need to remove your religious sign, and she did agree to it.
Well, it's coercive measures. If you tell somebody, I'm either going to take away your ability to feed your family and pay your rent, right? Or you're going to have to violate your own principles, your own fundamental convictions, and remove your religious symbol. That's a massive problem.
The bill also broadens the requirement for all communication in French schools to be in French. Drainville cites a situation at Montreal's Bedford Elementary School where a, quote, dominant group spoke a foreign language, creating tension. The bill also bans using school or service center spaces for religious practices. Granting religious accommodations that require absence from work might not be allowed in some circumstances. The CAQ government has invoked the notwithstanding clause to protect the bill from constitutional challenges.